Welcome to the future of industrial cleaning. Introducing the I-Series Automated Production Front Load 2830 Wash Rinse Dry Parts Washer, a custom engineered solution built for fully autonomous lights out operations, designed for seamless in-cell robotic integration. It sets a new standard in efficiency and performance. From its durable 304 stainless steel cabinet to its 1,500-pound load capacity and innovative robotic integration, the AP2830 parts washer is tailored for efficiency, reliability, and advanced automation. The AP2830 is more than just a system, it's a solution. Its advanced hydraulic vertical lift door effortlessly integrates with robotic systems, enabling completely autonomous operations within the cell. Meanwhile, the robust 28-inch stainless steel turntable ensures unmatched durability and precision, handling your cell's production pace with ease. The advanced HMI touchscreen interface provides complete control, allowing you to program cycle times, monitor system status, and adjust operations effortlessly. Equipped with powerful pumps, duplex filtration, and automated soap injection, this system ensures consistent, high-quality cleaning results with every cycle. Features like the 7-day timer, automatic water fill, and electronic tank level sensor simplify operations, keeping your system ready when you are. Engineered for longevity, the AP2830 is constructed from 304 stainless steel, ensuring resilience in even the harshest environments. From its 11-gauge stainless steel cabinet to the cabinet-mounted turntable and lockable electrical enclosure, this machine is designed for industrial-grade performance. Safety is engineered into every aspect of the I-Series. The hydraulic lift door, turntable jog switch, and e-stop provide comprehensive protection for operators. Automated systems such as low water safety alarms, automatic oil skimmers, and programmable cycle times keep operations running smoothly, minimizing downtime. This parts washer is designed for flexibility with a 42-inch cabinet opening and Ethernet-ready Allen Bradley PLC communication. It adapts seamlessly to your unique requirements. Whether you're optimizing for heavy-duty industrial cleaning or precision surface preparation, this system delivers unmatched versatility and ease of use. Cleaning excellence engineered for you. Backed by decades of experience, we go beyond parts washing systems. We deliver engineered solutions designed to meet your unique needs. When you choose Renegade, you gain more than a machine, you gain a trusted partner. Take the next step. Partner with Renegade today.